So I'm gonna be decorating my couch today. We're not supposed to decorate our couch, but I'm gonna do it anyway because what they gonna do? Not give me out the plumber? Hey guys, what's up? It's me, Kelci. Welcome back to my channel. Okay, so as you can tell by the title of this video, I will be decorating my graduation cap. So, but yeah, if you're new, yeah, you already know, you should go ahead and click the subscribe button, follow my social medias, like, comment, subscribe, all of that, yada, yada, yada. So yeah, without further ado, I'm going to get started with this video. So, I'm gonna be decorating my cap today. So as you guys know, class of 2020, most of us aren't getting a traditional graduation. So I'm gonna be decorating my cap today. We're not supposed to decorate our caps, but I'm gonna do it anyway because what they gonna do? Not give me out the plumber? So I'm gonna be decorating my cap today. I'm gonna start a picture on the side of what style I'm trying to go for. I found this on Pinterest and hopefully I don't mess it up. But yeah, I'm hoping I don't mess my cap up because I messed it up. I only get one. For my background, I'm gonna do silver. I don't know which silver I want to do. They might look the same on camera, but this one is darker and then this one is lighter, and I don't know which one I want to do. I think I'm gonna do the lighter one because I just like it better. And then for my letters, I have some leftover foam from my senior crown I made back in August. And then I have this also. Hopefully I have enough. I really prefer pink, but I'm just trying to use what I have to avoid me going to the store because I don't really feel like going. I'm gonna go ahead and put this down. Martha Stewart. The Martha Stewart sticker is in my way. Do you see that? Okay. Well, we're just gonna ignore that part. All right, so I'm just gonna get a pen and like mark the cap out so I can fit it correctly. Oh, I cannot see. Yo, this is so hard. How to wear your cap and gown. You know what? So this is what I got. As y'all can see the bottom, what is that? Okay. So yeah, as I was saying earlier, guys, like we won't even have a traditional graduation. So that's why I don't care about me decorating my cap, you know what I'm saying? Because what are they gonna do? What are they gonna do about it? Okay, okay, it fits. I just need to cut a little off. I might just cut it after I glue it on. So like, should I use Tacky glue, hot glue? You know what? I'm gonna use Tacky glue because I don't feel like using hot glue. So I'm just about to use some Tacky glue to glue this down. And then I have to like cut the circle. I feel like I'm in kindergarten again. Okay, so I'm gonna show you how I did this. So this is how I put the glue on there. As you can see, I did not put any glue in the middle because I'm about to cut a hole out for where the tassel goes. I'm about to glue this on now. You know what? I think I'm supposed to cut the hole out first before I glue down because it's not even laying like flat. All right, so I'm about to take this razor blade and let's see if I can cut a hole out. Okay, so I got it cut. See, I cut a little bit too much off right here. Oh my gosh, I actually did good, y'all. Okay, that's not bad. Okay, so I got the hard part out the way. Okay, as y'all saw, I got the hard part out the way. So, I mean, it wasn't that bad. But I just took a razor blade to just cut that hole in there. Yeah. I think I should go ahead and like cut this because it needs to be cut. So I'm gonna try to do that. I'm getting frustrated. You know what? That is the best I can do, honestly. I'm just gonna leave that part alone because I'm starting to see I'm cutting too much off. Alrighty, we are on day 2 of decorating my graduation cap. Today, I will be creating my letters. Hopefully, they will come out right. Wish I was back in Texas. Okay, so if y'all are wondering what I'm creating my letters on, I'm creating my letters with my mom's Cricut machine. If you don't know what it is, it's just a machine where like you just create stuff, okay? Cut things out. Most people have this machine to make t-shirts and stuff, but I'm using it to create my letters since I can't find any at the store. But let me show y'all my text. So this is the text I'm doing. As you can see here, this right here is the if you know what Bratz is, then the Brat dolls, then you know what this is, the font. But this is basically what I'm going to be putting on my cap. So I'm about to test the letters and see if it'll fit my cap. Okay, you guys, let me see if you guys can see it. So those are the letters right there. As you can tell, that is too small for my cap. Okay, so that's what it looks like on the cap. That's too small. And I want it to be bigger to where it's like going like across the cap and not like inside the cap. So I'm gonna print the letters out again and see if I get the right measurements. Okay, so I have my layout of my letters. These are going to be the colors. I was just test driving, you know, testing out and see if my letters would fit. You see all the struggle I went through. But yeah, I got it right. So I'm going to like print out my letters in a few minutes. But yeah, I just want to show y'all, give y'all an update of what I did.